Guys, sinong nakakamiss kay Edward Barber? So, andito nga, na-interview nga siya at tinanong siya kung kumusta na sila ni Maymay, nagkikita pa ba sila, nagkumustahan pa ba? Panoorin natin guys.
I'm so happy for her.
Maymay.
I'm proud of her for everything she gets to do. I'm happy for where she is right now, with the people around her. It's just good to see that she's doing well. So, yeah, I think she'd say the same for me. Like, we're celebrating each other wherever we are.
Are you still willing to do work with her soon? Kung may chance, kung may magandang project?
She's very in the performing arts now, which is not my natural gifting, I guess you could say. I do enjoy it, of course, dancing here and there, pero yun talaga yung gift niya. So I would say that's what her thing is. Like you said, like you talked to me about, hosting is kind of what I want to look at more now. So tingnan natin, I don't know, pero...
Ano, nagkikita pa ba kayo? ASAP, nagkakasalubong kayo?
naman, yeah. Last 2 Sundays ago, we were in the same class at Cycle together, live episodes.
Kamustahan? Ganyan?
Yeah.
Yes na lang, kamusta ang Tagalog?
Okay naman. Ulitin natin takbo. Tagalog.
Oo nga, dapat nagtatagalog ka pala na ngayon para
Dapat yung mga
ma-practice.
questions